Good morning to one and all. Welcome to IABS IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about AAR Spotlight Analysis 24th July news. In today's analysis, interview with Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal on flood situations in Assam. The Chief Minister described that the twin problems now Assam is facing on both managing the pandemic COVID-19 and also flood issues. Mainly, 13 rivers in the state, including Brahmaputra, flowed above the danger mark, forcing evacuation of more than 45,000 people to 188 relief camps. The entire Brahmaputra Valley region, which includes the Kaziranga National Park, is underwater. Nearly 2,816 villages are completely inundated and over 1 lakh hectare of cropland has been lost. The National Disaster Response Force (NDRF) is carrying out massive rescue operations in Assam, and out of 33 districts, 28 districts are affected by flood in Assam. Storms, landslides and fire are the reasons for Assam flood. Perennial flood and erosional problems are happening in Assam. Key takeaways are, from UPSC point of view, in Assam, Kaziranga National Park was there. It has been hit by 3 waves of floods so far this year, with nearly 92% of its area submerged in waters, and 123 animals including 12 rhinos are dead. With the traffic movement on the national highways 37 near Kaziranga also suspended. 123 animals including 45 hogue deer, 3 wild bears and 12 rhinos, 1 wild buffalo and a swamp deer perished in the flood of water. The importance of Kaziranga. As per UNESCO's description of Kaziranga National Park, Kaziranga is regarded as one of the finest wildlife refuges in the world. The park's contribution in saving the Indian one-horned rhinovirus from the brink of extinction at the turn of 21st century to harboring the single largest population of this species is a spectacular conservation achievement. Kaziranga is home to more than 91% of the Assam's rhinos and 80% of India's rhinos population, according to 2015 population census conducted by the park authorities. The latest rhino census has counted 2,413 one-horned rhinos, up 12 from the year 2015. The park also boasts of being home to 2/3 of the world's great one-horned rhinoceros. International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) changed the status of Indian rhinos from endangered. Since 1986, it is endangered to vulnerable species in 2008. That is one of the biggest achievement of Kaziranga National Park, and that is most important for UPSC, both prelims and mains point of view. And the most important point the CM discussed in spot analysis is about the Northeast Water Management Authority. Prime Minister Narendra Modi constituted Northeast Water Management Authority under the chairmanship of Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog for proper management of water resources in Northeast region. Since the Northeast states, which has 8% of India's land area and contains 1/3 of country's water resources, the committee would facilitate optimizing benefits of appropriate water management in the form of hydroelectric power, agriculture, biodiversity conservation, reduced flood damage erosion, inland water transport, forestry, fishery and ecotourism, terming it the first such endeavor to find out permanent solution for flood and to formulate a long-term solution to deal with flood and erosion. He also hoped that in the coming days, Assam along with other neighboring states will get relief from this problem. That's all about today's AirSpot news analysis. Thanks for watching IABS IAS Academy's YouTube channel. Please subscribe the channel for our daily PIB, AAR and Hindu news analysis. Thank you.